This presentation we are going to discuss about the first topic, Introduction to Ooad in Unit 1 from the subject CS-8592, Object-Oriented Analysis and Design. First, let's try to understand what is object. Object is a combination of data and logic that represents the real-world entity. Here, data is called as attributes and logic is called as functions. Functions is also called as operations, methods or behaviors. Next, we see the example. Here we are considering the object as car and the attributes of the car are car name, color and number of doors. And the functions of the car are stop, change and mark. This is the representation for window object and the attributes for the window object are size and color and the operations performed on the window object are open off and close off. Next we see what is analysis and design. Analysis gives importance on investigation of problem and requirements rather than a solution. That is, do the right thing. Second one is design. It mainly stresses on the solution that satisfies the requirements rather than its implementation. That is, do the thing right. Okay, next we see what is OOA and OOD. OOA means it's object-oriented analysis. From the name itself, we can say it is a requirement analysis technique. Here, the team understand, that is the development team, understand and models the requirement of the system. Okay. The second one is OOD, that is object-oriented design. Here we are designing the system to solve a software problem. This is the definition of Ooad. Ooad means object-oriented analysis and design. The first thing here is Ooad is a software engineering approach. And the second one is it models the system as interacting objects. And here object plays a main role to build a system. This page shows you the Ooad steps. First one is define use cases. Second one is define domain model. Third one is define interaction diagram. The last one is design class diagrams. First one is use case. Use case means it is a written description of how users will perform tasks. And it presents the list of actions occur in the interactions between a role, that is actor, and a system to get a goal. An actor can be a human or an external system. And the popular tool for requirement analysis is use. Second one is domain model. Domain model is a conceptual model of the domain that incorporates both behavior and data. In the sense, it is a formal representation of a knowledge domain that incorporates both behavior and data. And also it gives a very good information about the problem to solve. And the third thing is, from this we can understand the problem of a given statement. Third one is interaction diagrams. Interaction diagram is used to describe the type of interactions among the different elements in the model. That is mainly used to describe the type of interactions. And also exchange of ideas and messages takes place from sender to receiver and vice versa. And it is represented by two diagrams. First one is sequence diagram. Second one is collaborate. The last one is class diagrams. Class diagram means it is a main building block in object-oriented modeling. It is used to show different objects in the system, their attributes, their operations, and the relationships among them. And the class is represented by boxes. And the first top compartment box represents the name of the class. And the middle compartment of the box represents the attribute of the class. And the last box, bottom compartment, represents the operations. Thank you for watching this presentation.